Do you ever freeze when someone speaks English to you? You understand what they say, but your mind goes completely blank? Well, that ends today, because in this video, you'll learn 100 real English sentences that you can actually use in daily life, at home, at work, in school, or even while traveling abroad. These aren't textbook sentences, these are real sentences, spoken by native speakers, and after today, they'll become your sentences too. So stay with me till the end, because I've saved the most powerful real-life sentences for the last part of this video. Ready? Let's begin. Oh, wait. Before we start, promise me one thing. No subtitles? No problem. Don't pause, don't rewind, just shadow along. Yes, speak with me, because listening alone won't make you fluent. Speaking will. Let's warm up with some daily conversation sentences, the kind you can use every single day. Repeat after me. How's your day going? I just woke up. Give me 5 minutes. I'm getting ready. Let's go out for a walk. I'm starving. What's for lunch today? I'm running late. I'll call you back in a minute. That sounds great. If you're still saying, fine, thank you, every time someone asks, how are you? Please, it's time to retire that line, okay? Try, I'm doing great, or not bad at all. Now let's move to friendly and casual English, sentences you can use with friends or coworkers. Long time no see. What have you been up to? You look amazing today. Let's catch up soon. I totally agree with you. That's not fair. I didn't expect that. You made my day. Are you serious? I'm just kidding. But wait, what if you're talking to someone new, a stranger, or maybe your boss? That's where most learners get stuck. Don't worry, the next part will fix that forever. In real life, you need polite and professional English, not just casual chat. So here are some sentences that will make you sound confident and respectful. Could you please help me with this? I really appreciate your time. Let me double check and get back to you. I'm sorry for the delay. Thank you for your patience. I'll make sure it doesn't happen again. I'll send you an update soon. Let's discuss this tomorrow. That's a great suggestion. I completely understand your point. Never say, sorry, my English is bad. Instead, say, I'm still learning, but I'll get better every day. See? Confidence is the new grammar. Now let's get emotional, because English isn't just about grammar. It's about connection. I'm so happy for you. That really hurt my feelings. I can't stop smiling. I feel nervous. You always cheer me up. I'm proud of you. That's heartbreaking. I'm so relieved. I didn't mean to upset you. Everything will be okay. And if you think these are powerful, wait until the last 20 sentences. Those will make you sound like a native speaker. Let's go through common real-life situations: shopping, traveling, or daily tasks. How much does it cost? Can I try this on? Do you have this in a larger size? I'm just looking, thank you. Where's the nearest ATM? Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby? I'd like to book a table for two. How long will it take? Can you please repeat that? I think there's a mistake on the bill. These are survival sentences, but let's level up to the next 50 where we'll practice real conversational flow. What do you mean? That makes sense. I didn't catch that. I see what you're saying. Let's take a break. What's your plan for the weekend? I couldn't agree more. I'm not sure about that. Let's give it a try. I'll think about it. Ever noticed? Fluent speakers don't use big words. They just use simple sentences confidently. So if you've been waiting to learn advanced English, stop waiting. Speak simply. Speak clearly. Speak today. And now the final sentences that will help you in daily conversations everywhere. Let's get started. It's up to you. That's not a big deal. Don't worry about it. I'll handle it. You never know. That's a good point. I didn't think of that. I'm on my way. That's interesting. What do you recommend? I had a great time. Keep it up. You're doing great. That's too expensive. I'm not feeling well. Take care of yourself. Let's stay in touch. Call me when you're free. It was nice talking to you. And now, the last 20 sentences that separate English learners from English speakers. Ready? Here we go. I couldn't have done it without you. You've got this. That's exactly what I was thinking. Let me know your thoughts. Can we talk for a moment? That's so thoughtful of you. I appreciate your honesty. Let's keep things simple. That's not what I meant. Don't take it personally. I'll be right there. I'll do my best. Fingers crossed. I can't wait to see you. I'm learning every day. I'm proud of my progress. I'll never give up. I believe in myself. I'm ready to speak English confidently.
Let's do it together. You just learned 100 English sentences for real conversations. And if you repeated them aloud, you've already improved. But don't stop here. The real progress starts after this video. Watch it again tomorrow. Speak with me. Shadow every line. Because remember, fluency doesn't come to those who wait.